Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Phrases, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mira.
Hello, Mira. Hi, everyone. It's so wonderful to be here today. I'm very, very excited for this episode.
I'm happy to hear that, Jack. You look very energetic today. Do you have your coffee?
Yes, I do. I have a big coffee today. It's very hot and very delicious. And you, Mira, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. The weather is beautiful today. It's sunny and warm. It's a perfect day to talk about our new topic.
Oh, yes. Today we have a very interesting topic. We're talking about work, but a specific kind of work.
That's right. Today, we're talking about English for the construction site and English for meetings at work.
Wow, that's very useful. Many people work in construction, and everyone has meetings.
Exactly. It can be a little scary to speak English at work, especially when the environment is busy or loud. But we're here to help.
Yes, we are. But wait, before we start, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Oh, yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to English Phrases. When you subscribe, you don't miss our new episodes.
And share this episode with your friends and family. If they're learning English for work, this can help them too.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Mira, let's start.
When I think of a construction site, I think of many people, big machines, and a lot of noise.
You're right, Jack. A construction site is a very busy place. There are many important words to know. For example, safety.
Safety is a big word. It means staying away from danger, right?
Yes, exactly. On a construction site, you must wear special clothes. Do you know what they are?
I know you need a special hat, a very hard hat.
Yes, it's called a hard hat. It protects your head. It's usually yellow or white.
A hard hat, okay. What about your feet? You can't wear sandals on a construction site.
No, definitely not. You need safety boots. They're very strong and protect your toes if something heavy falls.
Safety boots. And sometimes workers wear a bright vest, right?
Yes, a safety vest. It's usually bright orange or green, so everyone can see you.
So we have a hard hat, safety boots, and a safety vest.
That's right. This is called PPE, Personal Protective Equipment. But for beginners, safety gear is a great phrase.
Safety gear. That's easier to remember.
So, Mira, imagine I'm on the construction site. What do I say to my boss or my team?
You might talk about the site. The site is the place where you're building something. You can ask, how is the site today? Or, is the site safe?
Okay, and if I'm working on a specific part of the building?
You can use words like foundation, walls, or roof. For example, we're finishing the walls today, or the roof will be ready next week.
What about tools? There are so many tools.
You don't need to know them all. Start with simple ones: hammer, drill, and ladder.
A ladder. I use a ladder at home.
Exactly. On the site, you might say, can you pass me the hammer, please? Or, is the ladder stable?
That's an important safety question.
It really is. Now, construction isn't just about tools. There are also meetings.
Oh, meetings. I sometimes feel nervous in meetings.
That's normal. In meetings, it's good to have an agenda.
And agenda is a list of topics, right?
Yes. At the start, the boss might say, let's look at the agenda.
And if I want to speak politely?
You can say, excuse me, may I say something? Or, I have a question about the project.
That sounds professional.
And simple English is professional English.
What if someone speaks too fast?
You can say, I'm sorry, can you speak a little slower, please? Or, can you repeat that, please?
That's better than being confused.
Exactly. Misunderstandings can be dangerous on a site.
Communication, not perfection.
Yes. Now let's talk about deadlines.
The deadline is when the work must be finished.
Right. You might hear, "What's the deadline?" or "We must finish by Friday."
It's always Friday.
Another important word is progress.
Progress means how much work is done.
Yes, you can say, "We're making good progress," or "The project is on schedule."
And behind schedule means we're late.
Exactly. Sometimes the weather's bad or we're waiting for materials like bricks or cement.
This is very helpful. I feel more confident already.
Good. One more important tip: taking notes.
Writing things down?
Yes, it helps you remember and shows you care.
And at the end of the meeting, you can say, "Thank you for the meeting."
Or, "See you on the site tomorrow."
Friendly and professional.
Exactly.
Safety first. Hard hat, safety boots, safety vest.
Construction words: site, foundation, walls, roof, ladder.
Meeting words. Agenda, deadline, progress, schedule.
And tips: be polite, ask questions, take notes.
That's right.
Thank you for listening today.
Please subscribe to English Phrases and share this episode.
Leave a comment. Do you use English at work? What is your job?
We love reading your comments.
Stay safe on the site and be confident in your meetings.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.